Hey, welcome to another MYD Global Minute. Today, I want to talk to you about a great course that's offered. Economic Developers Alberta offers the course, and so does the International Economic Development Council out of Washington. And really what the course is it's a resiliency training program for communities. And I've run this program a number of times in different Canadian communities, and every time I finish, I get some great feedback. The people who are in the room tend to be elected officials, economic developers, emergency managers, planners, Chamber of Commerce representatives, United Way representatives, anyone who's in your community that potentially has a role to play when and if a disaster hits. We have a number of modules that we cover, and the standard course has 6. We have a kind of introduction to community resiliency. We've got one on crisis communications, how to support businesses, recovery opportunities, financing, and how government works. Those are the kinds of things we talk about. And I know that every time we finish a course, it's great to go around the room and say, so what did you learn? And a lot of people really do come out with the comment that, boy, did I underestimate the role that we have to play in helping support businesses in our community, to help them get up and running as quickly as possible, to help them in their continuity planning, to really look at them as a piece of your community that's integral to your recovery. I most recently had a course that I ran, and one of the guys made his comment was, boy, I learned more about resiliency in the last 2 hours than I have in the last 2 years. And to me, that was a telling sign that there's content there that's really valuable to people that are in those leadership roles. So if you have not yet looked at this course, and it's something you would like to bring to your community, I would suggest you go online and look at it and email and see if it's a possibility to have it in your community. If you're in Canada and you want that course, it's www.eda.ca, and then IEDC also has their course, and both links will be in the description below the video, so you can go online and learn more about the courses. But in my opinion, I know that a lot of communities do have emergency response training. They do not have emergency recovery training and thinking about what they need to do, the pre and post tactics that they can put into place in order to be more resilient in the end. So thank you for turning into another MYD Global Minute, and I look forward to seeing you next time. In the interim, stay safe.